Good morning, student of earth class. As in warm-up video, we have seen directly about resource, natural resource, man-made and human resource. In warm-up video, we have seen and you can imagine about these all the things which are present around us. First, before we start the first chapter of your geography, I want to tell you that this is your textbook, my wonderful book of social science, Cordova publication. The first chapter of geography is an introduction to resource. Your first chapter is an introduction to resource. The question come here that what is resource and type of resource. Yani today in this class we will discuss only about these two dimensions. The question, what is resource? As in warm-up video, as you know that as a human being, we need a lot of things. We need air, water, plants, food, buildings, and a lot of natural things, and a lot of man-made things. Even this chalk is also resource. So definition of resource is anything on the earth that is necessary for the survival of human being and satisfies our need. Anything on the earth that is necessary for survival of human being and satisfy our need is called resource. Resource is everything around us is called resource. Type of resource. Around us, we are looking a lot of things. We are looking this board, chair, even in your hand. What is the article in your hand? Your mobile phone. Your mobile phone also a resource. Let's see about the classification of resource. Okay, classification of resources. You can classify around you, all the things which are present, you can classify them into three types. You will find some are natural, जैसे air, water, soil, and some are man-made resources, table, pen, bus. These all the things are man-made. And third is, what is third? I explained in warm-up video. What is third? If one is natural, you will find around you some are natural. You will find some are man-made. So third, what is? Third, we are with our training, with our knowledge, we are also very necessary for human being, because this is most important. Yani human resource. Yani humans with their skill, knowledge, education, use and utilize these natural and man-made resources. Okay. Next, the question come here. We can further classify the natural resources. You can see everything around you. You can feel air, you can see water, you can use water, soils, everything. Natural resources, some resources can be replaced and some natural resources cannot be replaced. On the basis of their exhaustibility, we can classify further natural resources, that is renewable. I'll explain. And second is non-renewable. non renewable. Natural resources we can further classified in renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource are resource who are present in our nature broadly, and they will not exhaust. They can replace, they can renew by technology, a automatic natural process. These are air, water, solar energy. These are forest, wildlife. These are the things. Non-renewable resource जैसे कोल हो गया, नेचुरल गैसेज हो गई, पेट्रोलियम, these are the things are. Now next things is that कि we will discuss about their classification. अब natural resources क्या हैं? Natural resources, natural substance that are found in our nature naturally, that is God gifted. These are natural resource. Okay students, here you can add more thing, but I need to erase petroleum. Further we have divided this non-renewable resource and renewable resource. Renewable resource में हम here I am dividing flora and fauna. It means plant and animal wildlife. So these all the things are the types of natural resource. Sorry. अब what have you understand in this video? What is resource? Everything on the earth, present on the earth and fulfill our need, satisfy our need is called resource. In general language, you can understand that all the things are resource. Type of resource, generally we can classify the resources into natural resource, man-made resource and human resource, and their example. But in next we will discuss about the classification of resources. Our next point it means about this we will discuss in next video, the classification of resources on the different basis. We will discuss about the classification of resource on different basis. Here you want to see if your textbook, that you can see this is your first chapter, an introduction of to resource, some important key terms: abiotic resource which we get from non-living being, and natural resource which we get from nature. Okay, here you can find the definition, write down in notebook. Everything on the earth is necessary, and the flow chart of resource, that how the resources can be classified into natural and man-made and human resource. Further, natural resources are divided into non-renewable and renewable. ठीक है? And non-renewable also further divided into recyclable and non-recyclable, and wind and flora and fauna. Okay beta? In next video we will discuss their classification based on origin, classification based on development, and classification based on renewability, everything. You can understand? Okay. Thank you my dear students. Thank you.